Hi, this is Aaron from Gold Boiler Care. I've put these videos together to help you, the customer, optimise your heating system. In this video, I will show you how to top up the pressure on your boiler. To top your boiler pressure up, some boilers have built-in filling loops, like this one here, an Ariston boiler. They can also be found on Glowworm, Valent and Worcester boilers. Underneath the boiler you will find two valves which you need to open. Once both valves are open, the pressure will increase to between 1 and 1.5 bar, at which point you close the valves off. Sometimes you will need to press the reset button to refire the boiler.